Hey guys, Get Oats here with another DIY video to share with you. Today we'll be working on unboxing, setting up, and configuring the Refoss aka Meross smart Wi-Fi LED bulbs with color changing ability, model number MSL120. So before I begin, I just want to mention that after owning 3 of Meross's smart devices, one being a smart light switch, the other being a smart outdoor plug, and the other being a smart garage door opener, and using it for the past few months, I really have to say that I really enjoy using their products. They make setup of their devices fast and easy, and their products always work reliably without any major issues, all while not putting a major dent in your wallet. Anyways, let's get back to these bulbs. Here are a few key features for these smart Wi-Fi LED bulbs. Just like with the other Meross smart Wi-Fi devices, you can 1. Remotely control these bulbs hands-free either through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, or through the Meross app on your Android or Apple smartphone. 2. Set up a schedule or routine to automatically turn on or off the bulbs. And 3. Integrate these bulbs to work with Apple HomeKit, Line Clova, SmartThings, Google Home, and IFTTT. In addition to the common key features I've already mentioned, there are some additional features that are more specific to these smart Wi-Fi bulbs. 1. You can change the temperature of the LED bulb to either as low as a warm soft light at 2700K or as high as a cool bright light at 6500K with additional temperature settings in between the two extremes mentioned. 2. The brightness rating of these bulbs are rated at 810 lumens. And 3. You can change the color of the bulb to any of the different RGB color combinations. So now that you know the key features of these LED bulbs, let's get unboxing. So when you first open up the box, you'll notice, like with the other Meross smart products, there is a QR scan code on the inner flap of the box right here that allows you to use your smartphone to download a soft copy of the manual if you prefer that over the hard copy. And then on the inside are the 2 A19 LED light bulbs, this user manual, and finally this Apple HomeKit manual with the HomeKit setup code specifically for each of your bulbs. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Now let's get to the fun parts, setting up the bulbs. First thing to do is to get the Meross app if you do not already have it on your phone. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, go ahead and open it up and sign in. And as you can see, I already have it open up on my phone. From there, you'll need to tap on the plus sign to add a new smart device to your home screen. Next, scroll down to the list of devices until you find the smart bulb device. Then tap on it to go to the next screen. Next, you'll need to install your smart light bulb into the light fixture. And as you can see, I have already installed the light bulb into the fixture, so I'm just going to tap on next to continue. Now you'll need to power up your smart light bulb by turning on the light fixture and waiting about 5 seconds for the light bulb to flash before you go on to the next step. And when you turn on the light fixture, you'll notice that the bulb begins to flash warm and then cool 3 times, and then it'll stay in the cool setting. When the flashing stops and stays at cool, then tap on next to continue. Next, you'll need to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network by tapping on the Go to Wi-Fi settings. It will then direct you to your Wi-Fi settings. When you see the Meross SSID broadcasted by your light bulb, then go ahead and connect up to that SSID. From there, return back to your Meross app and it should then take you to the screen to rename your device. In here, go ahead and enter in a name for your light bulb and then tap on next to continue. Next, you'll have the option to choose from a variety of different icons for your light bulb to put onto the home screen of your Meross app. You can even choose to put a custom picture icon as well by tapping on the camera icon in the upper left. When you have decided what icon to choose, tap on next to continue. Then it'll take you to a screen where you will enter in the Wi-Fi SSID network that you would like your smart light bulb to connect to. If you have already set up devices in the past, then your previous settings will automatically be populated here. If you decide you do not want to use your previous settings, then you'll need to either choose from one of the broadcasted Wi-Fi SSIDs or manually enter in your Wi-Fi SSID. Once you have entered in that information, then tap on next to continue. Now you're into the home stretch. Here you'll start to see the light bulb flicker once, indicating that the settings have been set and saved to your light bulb. Then you'll notice the bulb flash red, green, blue, and then back to cool white. And then after that, you'll see a congratulations screen indicating that your smart light bulb is successfully set up. Then tap on done to continue. You'll then be taken back to the home screen with your smart light bulb now showing up on your dashboard. And that's pretty much it for the setup of the bulbs. Now let's go to using the smart light bulb. Turning on and off the light bulb is as easy as just tapping the icon on your home screen in your Meross app or by using any of your favorite assistants like Google, Siri, or Alexa. To change the temperature of the smart light bulb, simply tap on the pencil icon on the smart light bulb in the upper right hand corner, and then it'll take you to the temperature color settings. From there, as you can see, there's a plethora of temperature settings that you can choose from for your smart light bulb. Then simply rotate the dial on your phone to the desired temperature setting, and then you'll see the light bulb temperature instantly change to that setting. To change the color of the smart bulb, simply tap on the color dial icon in the lower left corner of your phone, and it'll take you to the color dial with a bunch of different colors to choose from. And just like the temperature settings dial, you simply rotate the color dial to the desired color setting, and you can see the smart light bulb change instantly to that color. And that is pretty much it, guys, for how to use and change the settings of your smart light bulb. I hope this video has helped you with setting up and using your Meross smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up to date for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.